As you know, Fiverr is an excellent marketplace to sell digital goods online, but Fiverr is moving into the handmade space as well. So you can actually sell handmade items on Fiverr and actually charge to ship the item directly to your client. This is a great way to make money on Fiverr, especially if you have access to a bunch of actual goods that you can actually sell. So one of which you can go about and ship a bracelet to your client and get $5 just for the item itself. On top of it off, you will get an extra about $5 or whatever you want to charge for shipping the item directly to them. Then the next thing you can do, you can also add a few Fiverr extra gigs. So you don't want to just get $10 for the item itself. You want to get a lot more than that, especially if you'll be customizing the item itself. As you can see, this particular person, he went in and he got a bunch of different things that they can actually customize in his Fiverr gig. So potentially he's going to make a lot more money than just $5 selling this particular gig on Fiverr itself. In fact, he can make a lot of money in it, especially if you decide to buy just one of each of every one of his gig extras. Let's see how much he's gonna make. $145 potentially if you maximize every single one of his gig extra offers. So this is a great way for you to make money on Fiverr by creating a very nice handmade necklace and sending it to your client directly.